Joy Lab.
So here we want to find out the H plus concentration for a solution with a pH of 3.60. So with all this pH business, we have two equations we keep coming back to. pH is equal to the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration. And we know that the hydrogen ion concentration times the hydroxide ion concentration is equal to 1.0 times 10 to the minus 14. Well, we have pH, and we need to figure out the hydrogen ion concentration, so we're going to use this top guy. So what we're going to have to do is use our property of logs to solve this thing. Because sometimes people say, well, if I have, so right now I know that I have 3.60 is equal to the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration. And then often people will say, well, just divide both sides by log. Well, if you divide both, you can't. That's like saying divide by addition. You can't divide by a function. So we're going to have to get rid of that log. And if you remember your properties of logs, 10 to the log of something, say A, is equal to that thing, A. So if I said, let's move this over, and if I said, okay, I have minus 3.60 is equal to the log of the hydrogen ion concentration. Well, if I apply that, so I could say that 10 to the log of the hydrogen ion concentration, well, what's that? 10 to the log of A is equal to A, so I can say, oh, that's equal to the hydrogen ion concentration. Well, remember in algebra, whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So if I did 10 to the log of this, I'm going to have to do, or 10 raised to this power, I'm going to have to do 10 raised to this power. So I can rewrite this thing into another form. I can say 10 to the minus pH is equal to the log, is equal to the hydrogen ion concentration. That's what we have here. 10 to the minus pH is equal to the hydrogen ion concentration. So 10 to the minus 3.60. Let's go ahead and figure out what that is. We're good to 2 sig figs, because this is the result of a log function, so it's everything after the decimal point. So I have two significant figures. So I'm going to say 3.60, change the sign, use my 10 to the x key, which incidentally is the same as my log key. That's no coincidence. And did I make it negative? It looks like I did, but let's do, just in case, 3.60, make it negative. Second, 10 to the x. So I know that my hydrogen ion concentration to 2 sig figs, 1, 2, 3, let's see, 1, 2, 3, those aren't significant, 1, 2 are, so not 1, so we're going to call this 0.00025. Or if we wanted to put it in scientific notation, we could say 2.5 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4, either one. Does it fit? Acidic acid or base? Less than 7 is going to be an acid. My hydrogen ion concentration should be greater than 10 to the minus 7. Yeah, 10 to the minus 4.
Joy Lab. Learning done right.
Learn more with Joy Lab. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Visit us at www.joylab.biz. Thank you.